Well, the storm is finally here. It's been threatening all day, but now it's finally here. Not sure if you can really see just how much it's blowing with this little camera. It's real fine snow coming down. It's starting to accumulate. Not much traffic going by, a couple cars. I guess everyone's staying home today. Just like we are. Saying we're expecting about 18 inches. Here comes a plow. Roads here. This is for you, Chris. I hate freaking snow. Maybe you can see a little better now how it's coming down against the trees. It's really blowing. And it's very, very cold. It's about 20 degrees out here right now, and the snow's very fine and light. And I still don't